Hello, I am Priyanshi Saini. I recently completed my 3 months UI UX design internship at Unified Mentor, and I would like to share a short feedback about my experience. During my internship, I worked on four main projects: the bakery landing page UI, login and sign up page UI, color contrast tool UI, and a to do list app UI. Each project helped me learn something new, from improving visual design and layout to understanding user needs and creating easy to use interfaces. This internship really helped me grow as a designer. I learned how to think from a user's point of view and pay attention to small details that makes a big difference. I'm very thankful to Unified Mentor for this opportunity and for the guidance I received throughout the projects. Thank you.